Good morning everyone. Today I will explain you design. Look at this. So first you have to make a one circle like this, and I just make a one more circle upside also. So here also we have to do the design. If you want you can use only one, but I want to explain the some designs, so that's why I just drawn two circle and I am dividing into two parts. Look at this. This is a center line here. So you can use, I'm using freehand. If you want you can use any type of stencil and all. Okay, this is your choice. So first what we have to do, we have to start designing and pressing. Okay, so here you have to make flower. Look at this. So first I am drawing a one lotus like this. In design, each and every line, they all are very curved and very flexible. Okay, so you also drawn like this, like this. Okay, and then look at this. Here you have to make a one more bird like this. Like this also. See, my all lines is very curvy. Okay, so you also try like this. If you are leaving some space also, that is no issue, we will fill it. Okay, after drawing. Okay, when we are doing coloring now, that time we have to fill it each and everything. So don't worry about these things. Look at this. Now this is done. So here is also one line. Look at this. So what we have to do here, we have to make some, we have to draw some petals. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, like this you have to draw full. And in this picture we have to use only three colors. Okay, this is done. Now you have to take one butter paper. Look at this, you have to keep like this. Okay, see this drawing is showing here. So what you have to do, you have to press it like this and you have to start overwriting here. Okay, so what we will do, we have to start like this. First you draw one line like this, start. See, look at this. Can you see properly? Look at this, all lines is showing upside. Okay, This is butter paper. You take butter paper and then you just over. Now look at this, student. This is done. Look at this. This is the main picture and here I just trace it. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to turn this paper and see this center line is here. You just keep like this. Okay, properly you have to keep it. Okay, and then you have to start tracing this. Okay, when you have to trace it, then you have to, and this side you have to overwrite it. Okay everyone, I will tell you. Wait a minute. Now look at this. This tracing is done. See, picture is showing here. It's very light. Can you see? Look at this. Flower is here. Leaf is here. Bud is here. Look at that. And then you have to use pencil outlining like this. Because we have to trace it so it will come proper. Now see, this is done. Okay, same as it is you have to do here also. First you have to complete this design part, and after that we have to work on coloring. Okay, so today's task is only sketching part. Okay everyone, if you have any problem or any doubt, you just call me. Okay, look at this, student. In a one video I'm telling you how to draw the design, and now it's the second video, and here I'm telling you how you have to color it. We have to use first light color. I'm using white and red color, and I made this light pink color. So you have to fill this border first. Look at this border. You have to fill it here. Don't fill it this flower. Okay, you have to give the space here, and then full background you have to fill it like this. So do like this and fill it properly. Okay, see, use 1 number brush or 2 number brush for filling this background. If you want, you can use yellow color also for the background, but I want pink, so I am using this is light pink color. And don't use so much watery color, okay? It's little bit thick, okay? You have to do like this. See? Now look at this. It's done. Now we have to take yellow color and complete this background here. See, look at this outside of this. Okay, I'm taking yellow color. It's neat yellow. Now look at this. Yellow is done, and then we have to take red color. Okay, and you have to use in this lotus. First you have to do the outline like this and wash your brush. Okay, and then mix it. Like this you have to do. Okay, everyone, same as it is. Again, do the outline first. See, like this you have to do full outline. Okay, and then wash your brush and start mixing like this. Okay, look at this. Okay, all flowers you have to complete like this. Okay, now look at this, all flowers done. Now you have to take light green color and you have to do all the leaves like this. Wash your brush and then you have to mix it. Same as it is, you have to do here also. Light green color, wash your brush mix it. Okay. Now look at this, leaf is done. Now you take dark green color and see, look at this. On this stamp you have to do like this. Like this you have to do, and see, you have to do the outline also with the dark green color. And here you have to fill dark green color. Okay, first we have to do outline like this. Wash your brush and then start filling inside of that. Okay, now same as it is you have to do. Okay, look at this. Now you have to, outside leaf you have to fill it with the red color. Now next step, you have to take red color and mix it little bit of that black color for the outline. Okay everyone, because red and white is not a color, it's tint and shade, so that's why they are not counting its color. Only three color we have to use it here. Okay, there is yellow, red and green. Okay, now I just mix it, so it's, I got the dark color, and then you have to do outline like this. See, like this you have to do outline. Okay, and then you have to take the white color and give shading, sorry, light effect like this. Same as it is here also. Okay, and then leaf also. Okay, everywhere you have to give the yellow effect, white effect. Okay, so complete like this, and I'm sending you complete picture also, so you complete like this. And for the more designing, you have to use dark color, that outliner color, and you have to give lining like this. Okay, breaking lines. Okay, like this you have to fill it full. Like this you have to complete full. Like this you have to complete it. Okay everyone.